Are you keeping 10% or 50% of your sales? If you don't know, you are in trouble. Welcome to day 6 of the 60-second MBA, where I explain big business grammar in simple English. Today's word is margin. This represents the percentage of the selling price that is actually yours to keep. If you sell a recharge card for 100 naira and your profit is 5 naira, that means you have a profit margin of 5%. If you sell a cake for 10,000 naira and your profit is 5,000 naira, that means you have a profit margin of 50%. Investors love high margins. High margins means if the cost of buying flour goes up, your business won't die immediately. You have a buffer. You have something to adjust to. How many items must you sell to start making money? That's tomorrow finale for week 1. Do well to subscribe to this channel and put on the notification icon so that when I share the video for day 7, you are going to see it. And I will see you next time.